Well, the Worldwide Fund for Nature has said our rivers are being used as open sewers.
England's rivers are still...
Across the UK, the most pressing environmental issue right now is the inadequate management of sewage waste. In our town of Harpenden, where the natural environment acts as a social hub and diverse habitat, the effects of river contamination, waterborne diseases and ecosystem degradation are increasingly evident after Thames Water pumped untreated sewage through our beloved rare chalk stream, River Lea.
Whilst prioritising efficient sewage treatment and preventing discharge into local rivers, the well-being and satisfaction of Harpenden residents necessitates equal attention, with our experience of the game emphasising the significance of understanding these citizens' needs, particularly our stakeholders, among other key insights as shown on screen.
We reached out to Victoria Collins, the Hertfordshire Liberal Democrat candidate, for her expert advice in understanding this issue.
So in the last 3 years, UK water companies have dumped sewage into our rivers and seas over 1 million times. In 2022 alone, there was 50 hours of sewage that was put into the River Lea here. They are important for our wildlife, for our environment, for biodiversity, and a really special place to be. This is an extremely pressing issue and one that we've got to deal with now.
Recognising the unreliability and limitations of our current sewage treatment plants, our primary objective is to mitigate river contamination whilst enhancing resident satisfaction in a cost-effective way. Drawing insights from Victoria, our mentor and the game, step 1 in our proposal is renovating our local sewage treatment facility. This involves expanding the treatment process to filter out larger solids and debris, improving biological sewage treatment and implementing chemical sterilisation or UV light disinfection.
Rather than constructing an entirely new sewage plant, redeveloping the Eastside treatment plant, which is 2 miles upstream from River Lea, will be more cost effective and prevent the need to build on greenfield sites, preserving Harpenden's local environment and preventing citizen concerns. This investment will prevent any river contamination by enhancing efficiency and capacity, reducing the illegal discharge of sewage, alongside further benefits to our community, including using residue biosoil sludge as a fertiliser which is affordable and nutrient rich to our local farmers. This expansion is crucial to solve our sewage pollution crisis.
One key insight that the game taught us was the importance of both redevelopment and innovation in improving local areas. Thus, in order to innovate usage of sewage waste, step 2 in our proposal is biogas buses, sustainable public transport for Harpenden powered by sewage alone. During the biological sewage treatment, bacteria anaerobically breaks down our waste, naturally producing biogas, which would be used as fuel for our buses. These biogas buses are completely renewable, with sewage being continually replenished, as well as carbon friendly, with 84% less CO2 emissions than their diesel counterparts.
As seen in our prototype, the green colour will fit in Harpenden's rural environment, therefore not taking away from its natural beauty, alongside the access ramps and priority seating for inclusion, and air conditioning and Wi-Fi to attract passengers. The route will have stops including the Harpenden High Street to support local independent retailers, the Harpenden train station to support commuting options to London, as well as towards Luton Airport to support national travel.
We've calculated these combined costs for both projects, which although rather high, are mitigated through private investment, funding and advertising schemes throughout town. Another challenge was deciding which solutions were most effective and appropriate to Harpenden. Alternative options included government regulation or electric buses. However, government regulation had previously proved ineffective and electric buses incurred higher costs and less relevance to the sewage plant. We can solve the sewage waste problem once and for all.